What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Eddie from EM Performance, and I hope everyone is having a great day. It is Monday, and we are still in the midst of the COVID-19, so I thought I would bring you a quick, fun little video, something that's going to add a little more detail to your Mustang. And what that is, what that may be, you ask, is the 86 to 04 Mustang Fender bolts and washers. So these are stainless steel flathead bolts and CNC machined aluminum washers that you can get on Cerbinator's website. Hop on his page on Instagram, and he has a link in his bio if you want to grab a set for yourself. And it comes with everything that you need, 6 and 6 of each to do the install, and honestly, it's quick and easy. It's gonna probably take you 15 minutes or less. To be honest, I'm pretty sure my son, who's 10, could probably knock this out in just that amount of time too. But what it's gonna do is, on your fender here, you just have your little fender bolts that are a few of the bolts that hold on your fender. It's just gonna jazz it up a little bit. On my car here, they're actually painted to match, and they're a little beat, to be honest. So that's why I got the kit myself. And when you put 2 and 2 together, this is the look that you're gonna get. It's a much nicer look. It's flush as well. When it seats, it looks really, really nice. So it's a great kit. If you're interested, definitely check it out on his website. The tools that you'll need, very simple. 1/4-inch ratchet, extension if you prefer, and on my specific, I have 2 different sizes. One's an 11mm socket, and the other one's an 8mm socket, and that's nice and easy to do. And to put the new fender washers on, you're gonna want to use a 5/32 socket for that specific tool. So the hex bolt, if you guys can see that, okay? So nice and easy, and that's gonna pop on pretty easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do just the first one so you guys can see it and get an idea of the defrost, and I'll show you actually what I have on my car now, and it's been on the car since 2010, and they were painted with the car, so, but over time, they just kind of got worn out and whatnot, so this is actually going to give it a much better look. So this is what I have on the car right now, so you can see that time, just in general, has made this little bolt a little less prettier. So we're going to toss that off to the side, and then we're going to grab one of our new little setups. So again, there are 2 separate pieces, boom bada boom. It's going to go in just like that, nice and easy. Just make sure you clean off the area, and that's going to go in just like that. Actually, you can run it down with your hand and torque it. Well, I don't say torque it, but just snug it up with your 1/4-inch ratchet, because you don't want that fender going anywhere. Not that it would, to be quite honest. Alright, so we're just going to tighten that up just a little bit. Nice and snug. What I'm going to do too, I'm going to actually take the camera off so you guys can see what I did. Hang on here. Here we go. Okay, so let me flip it around real quick here. Where are we? All right, so you can see that it looks awesome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab just a little bit of touch up around it, because what the old bolt did coming up, it kind of created a little circular around it, but I have some touch up, and that is gonna dress up very, very nice. So, there you have it, guys. So, I'm gonna button up the rest, and I'll be sure to post some more pictures of it. But again, if you guys are interested, there it is for you. Hop on, get a pair, dress up your car a little bit nicer, and it's definitely worth it. And support your local businesses as well, guys. Well, stay tuned for more, guys, and I hope you guys have a great day.